Hello, Chrissy Etheridge, the oilist. So we're going to talk about OnGuard today. Now, OnGuard is a proprietary blend with doTERRA that we call the protective blend. And for very, very justifiable reasons, the essential oils within this blend include cinnamon, clove, orange, rosemary, and eucalyptus. Now, if you've ever heard of the ORAC score, this is a kind of a grading system for antioxidants. Now, antioxidants is a very it's a used word across many different platforms, and really in a nutshell, so you understand what an antioxidant is in our bodies. Whenever we are exposed to toxins, whether or not it's a chemical toxin or a microbial toxin or any kind of stressor that creates byproducts of a toxin, we call those free radicals. Now, free radicals run around our body, and they are negatively charged ions. And so what they're doing is they're trying to, everything in chemistry is always trying to go back to neutral. And so these free radicals are running around trying to find a positive ion to attach to. So it can actually create a lot of harm in our body because it can alter the purpose of different cells or different chemicals or ingredients that we put in our own bodies and make them not so effective. It can cause a lot of inflammation in our body. It can do a lot. Free radicals are not a good thing. So what we want to do is we want to eliminate free radicals by decreasing our toxic load, not using a lot of chemicals in our daily activities and routines, like using natural ingredients to clean with, like OnGuard. Or lemon or wild orange. There's a lot of different ways that we can clean naturally in our homes and eliminate all of those. Just look underneath your cabinet and see all the chemicals that you clean your home with, but also what we eat with, our different preservatives that are in our food, the organic versus non-organic. So then you're dealing with the different pesticides in your fruits and vegetables. There's just a lot of different exposures to chemicals that we deal with, and also in pharmaceuticals. So you can decrease the toxic load in your body, in your house, in your different beauty regimens. There's a lot of different ways to eliminate toxins in your home, but you can also provide your body with antioxidants, which are positively charged ions that will go inside your body and bind to those free radicals, essentially making them ineffective and neutralizing them, and then your body just eliminates it out. So that's what an antioxidant is. So when we think about an antioxidant, what we do, there's actually a grading of the power of an antioxidant, and it's called the ORAC score. Interestingly enough, in doTERRA's OnGuard, it has two of the highest ORAC score ingredients that are available on the planet, which is cinnamon and clove. All right, so makes perfect sense that if we need our body to work better, if we need to provide an immune support and to eliminate free radicals so our body can work better for itself, it would make sense to add these antioxidants in. Think about when someone gets sick. It's very common for your colleagues or your doctor or even your mother to say, oh, make sure you're drinking a lot of orange juice because you want to get that vitamin C, and vitamin C is an antioxidant, and that's why people say this to you. So when we use OnGuard, we're actually giving our body this amazing immune boost so it can fight the battle better. Our bodies are really powerful machines, obviously very organic machines, not made of our parts like our cars are, but there are phenomenal machines that really know how to do everything that they're supposed to do. We don't need to work too hard. We just have to provide the correct environment for our bodies to work for ourselves. So we have to feed our bodies nutrients. We have to give our bodies enough water, we have to give our bodies enough rest, and we have to decrease the toxins around us. Now, that doesn't mean that you're not going to get exposed to illness and you're never going to get sick. That's not what all of this means. What it means is that you're providing an environment for your body to work at its optimum so it can fight the fight better for yourself. So hopefully that makes sense. So OnGuard is a great addition to giving your body what it needs so it can really fight its own battles for itself. But very interestingly enough, some of the essential oils that are found in OnGuard also have antimicrobial benefit. So when you do get sick or when you do feel under the weather, increasing or diffusing or using OnGuard internally can really help not only boost your immune system and let your body work better for itself, but it can also fight some germs in the process. So certainly if you need to boost your immune system, maybe you're going on a trip, maybe you are, a lot of times we know that flying is going to give a lot of germs just constantly recirculating in that airplane. That's certainly a high risk of exposure to different illnesses, but then traveling is going to increase your stress. Maybe you're not going to sleep as well. I always increase my OnGuard whenever I travel because I don't want to get sick while I'm traveling. Certainly if you do get sick, like the cold and flu season, OnGuard is going to be something that's a must inside your home, whether or not you diffuse it to protect other family members from getting it, you clean surfaces, door handles, bathrooms, things like that to eliminate the germs so other people in your household don't get sick. But you can also take with water to help get it circulating in your body. Certainly airborne viruses, this is really great in eliminating the different airborne viruses available. I diffuse OnGuard in the emergency room almost consistently throughout the entire flu season, and we have just entered into the flu season again. This will be something that I diffuse at my desk constantly. It's going to keep myself well, it's going to keep my colleagues well that are also within that vicinity of the diffuser, and it provides this really beautiful cinnamon and clove and wild orange smell, kind of like a Christmassy fall smell. So it's very pleasant aromatically also. It's good for mouthwash. You can certainly add a drop into some water and squish it around. doTERRA has an entire OnGuard line. We are going to talk about the OnGuard toothpaste in just a minute, but there is opportunity with concentrated cleaner, foaming hand wash, detergent. There's a lot of OnGuard blends that are available within doTERRA because it's such a great germ fighter. You can apply it directly if you start to get those annoying tingling sores on your mouth. You can apply it directly onto that area. If you are concerned with a very annoying resistant bacteria called staph, then you can apply it directly onto those areas to help improve that outcome of the wound healing. And then if you have any kind of gum disease, that's where that oral mouthwash will help as well. So let's talk about OnGuard whitening toothpaste. Now, the natural whitening toothpaste that doTERRA has is fluoride free and provides the protective benefit of the OnGuard essential oils while reducing plaque, whitening teeth with gentle polishing agents. It's a very unique cinnamon mint flavor with xylitol. So it's sweetened with xylitol, and it not only has cinnamon, but it also has mint. So if you have the OnGuard toothpaste sample, then you can certainly go ahead and use it twice a day with your sample pack and get that nice minty cinnamony feel. It does taste different than a lot of our normal toothpaste that we're used to having over the counter and on the shelf, because a lot of times they fill that with a peppermint or a spearmint. So in your brain, you think that that's what you need in order to clean your mouth. But having that doTERRA OnGuard within your brushing your teeth are really going to eliminate a lot of germs that create your plaque buildup, your cavities, and also your gingivitis. So it's a great addition to your daily routine. All right, if you haven't yet subscribed to the oil list, click the button below and make sure that you subscribe so you get all of these amazing videos when you are on your oil journey, when you're on your natural solutions journey, learning how to use plant-based medicine in your daily routines to improve your health and your families. And then certainly follow the comments below, and you can visit theoilist.com for more information. There's free essential oil classes there that you can go along to, and then you can click on the starter kits and learn how you can get these essential oils into your home as well. Now, once you get started with essential oils, you'll be added to my team, my personal team, where we have a ton of information, a lot of times non-compliant with FDA, which I have to be compliant with when I do these videos on YouTube. But we're just a great community that shares and loves with each other and just goes on this natural journey, learning how to heal naturally and feel better, reduce our stress, improve our sleep, improve our ailments. So I hope that I can meet you on the other side when you decide to start your essential oil journey. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.